Hi, welcome to this lesson on storage performance, preparing for your CompTIA Storage Plus exam. I'm Nigel Poulton and I'll be your trainer for this lesson. Right then, let's start out with talking about why performance matters, and hopefully that shouldn't take too much explaining. First of all, in extreme cases, performance can be the same as availability. Huh? What do you mean? Well, it's absolutely the case that if performance gets so bad, applications and services can become unavailable. Really, a classic example being a database query that takes so long to run that the user closes the report that they're running and they think the system's down. Or maybe even worse, the user hits resubmit again and again and again, thinking that the system isn't doing anything. But each time they hit resubmit, they're adding more and more work to the system. Another example might be you trying to buy something online. You click proceed with payment and it takes so long for the confirmation page to appear that you think the system's down. You might try and reload the page again or even close your browser session. Even though on the back end services might be up, just experiencing awful performance, as far as you're concerned, the system is down. Then there's also some applications that require certain performance levels. Maybe your company works in low latency trading or something like that. In these kind of environments, the smallest drop in performance can bring things grinding to a halt, or at least they have a major impact on your company's ability to trade and to compete. Also, overnight batch jobs or maintenance tasks that overrun into the business day can impact staff productivity as well as the ability for the business to operate as normal. So performance matters, and it matters a lot. Performance can also influence and dictate things. For example, knowing your performance requirements can dictate the kind of solution that you purchase or deploy, and knowing how well or maybe how not so well your current systems are performing can influence potential upgrades. Also, when talking about performance, especially storage performance, it's vital to record baselines and maintain historical performance data. If you're in the middle of what's considered a performance-related issue and you're asked to look at current performance, it's no good producing fancy-looking charts if you haven't got a clue whether the data on the charts means that things are performing well or that things are performing badly. But if you've got some charts from maybe a week ago, a month ago, or a year ago when things were known to be performing well, you've got something to compare against. And this can be vital in helping determine whether today's performance is good or not. Also, if you regularly review or chart performance data, you can spot performance trends, and these trends may also influence new technology purchases or upgrades. Finally, replication can impact performance. If you've got an application that requires low latency and you stick it on the back of a set of volumes that are synchronously replicated over, let's say, a 100-mile DWDM link, you're going to kill the performance of that app. So that gives us some reasons why performance is important. Now let's talk about performance viewpoints.